So I just had a laugh. Good afternoon. How are you all? Hope you're okay. Right, we're going down the woods. We're going to do an overnighter, and I'm going to have a go at the first time ever in a hammock with a tarp. I've put a tarp up before, but I've never ever used a hammock. So if you want to leave any, after I finish this video, if you want to leave or really jib me at the end of the video, go right ahead, it's fine, okay? We've got a couple of things to do as well. In between, I'll be doing another video on, what is it, making my second attempt at friction fire, but making my own with all the wood we've got and everything. And then we've got a steak, and yeah, anything else we can come up with. All right, so we'll see you down there. Take care, see you in a bit. Cool, did it? Okay, so what I'm thinking is between that one and that one, because the view I've got, but also we've got to check for any widow makers, and I don't think we've got anything. It's pretty good up there by the look of it. Okay, so that's where we're going to do the hammock. This is a cheap hammock. I'll show you in a minute. Let me just get this camera right. Hold on one sec. I'll just get rid of this. We've got some debris lying around. I'll get rid of that, and then I'll come back and I'll show you this. Good firewood. Oh. Holy moly, come on. Okay, I'm going to show you what's in the pack. We're going to go from here, we think. It depends on the distance. I've never done one before, so I'll show you. So in the pack, you get some bungees, which is for the mosquito net. If they're on the floor, I'll probably lose them. 2 ties. I have no clue what I'm doing. Alright. I said this, I've never done a hammock. And then you put it all out. So is the mosquito net separate, or is it in? I do not know. Okay, so there we go. Together. So the bag stays on the outside. Oh, there we go. So clip, carabiner one end, carabiner the other. Nicky band. Right, so I presume carabiner goes through, and then I'll have a look first. Let me look at the instructions, see which is right. I'm going to wrap it round top 4. I think I go around twice to be too short. I'm going to try that. If I fall, it's a bit of That's alright actually. is a bit lost. I'll have to get that right. But all right. Who does a cucumber? I'll work it out first. Come back to you in a sec. There's a clip that goes on each end like this, yeah. And then what you do is, I don't mean this, but
A fishing knot.
yeah. Well, I reckon I can go around the tree twice. Like so. And then like so. That's the idea. So I'll do the same with the other side and come back to you. Let's keep that apart. And also then we have, this is, I don't know how old it is, I've got a tent the same, which we're going to do some tenting. I'll see if I like this or not. I bought it for 20 quid. I was advised to buy one. Don't spend any more than 20 quid, just in case you don't like it. So this is self-inflating, and we'll give it a few breaths, and then we'll put it in the hammock. Oop. Okay, give it about 10 breaths. You can see that. It's old Thermarest. This is one of the originals. I thought it's 20, 30 years old. I can't remember. Right, so I'm going to pop him in. Okay, zip that up. Looking pretty cool. Okay, we're just gonna 180. So now we've got sleeping bag and a micro pillow. I bought this for the ski trip, never used it. I'm trying to skip on the bus for 24 hours. No. Tiny. Okay, but the pocket at the side's handy, you can put your stuff in it. Stuff sack. And then this is a 3-season mummy bag. It's going to be probably roasting tonight, probably. The Thermarest, like I said, is yonks old.
You need it.
Huh? The Thermarest. Yeah. This is again, God knows how many years old. I don't think we're going to jump in it, just going to use it as a blanket. Well, that does look cosy. Right, now let's see what happens. So if I go plummeting, you'll know. Good, you have to get the zips off, really. It feels a bit unsafe. Night. Oh, it's quite. Yeah. See you in the morning. It's all right. People said you have to get used to it. It feels all right. I don't know what it'd be like.
Rockabye baby.
It's just very, yeah. Next thing will be a tarp, because if it rains, you are going to get wet. So I'll pull the tarp out and put that up next. All right. It seems, I mean, your boots are a bit clumpy. Let's have a look. I mean, you know.
Not going to fall out then.
No, I don't think so.
Just upside down.
Now, if I'm going to fall out now, because I'm going to turn. So if you know when you're light.
Mind your boots.
Look at that. No, it's all right. It's all right. All right, brilliant. Let's see if we can get up there. It takes some. It doesn't take some getting used to. It's all right. Let's see if we can get out all right. I suppose you'd put your boot out. Look, I'm sweating. I am sweating. Phew. Okay, I've just popped up a double ridge line because I got lots and lots. I didn't want to cut it. Okay, so in the corner, you can see that I'm using these tarp clips, whatever you want to call them. I'll show you one. You know, it sounds like a bit of thunder. That's going to be interesting. There's lightning. Don't know. Anyway, we'll see. Right, so put them in the tag. Tighten right down. I'll put a. What I do for this, I just use a fisherman's knot. I just go probably wrong. Round again, round again, round again. Sorry, round again. Back through. And then put it tight. Well, it'll probably not the right thing to do. Anyway, it doesn't seem to want to come undone. That's it. That's my setup. Looks alright, I think. If it thunders, it's going to be fun. But yeah, so this is my first attempt at hammock camping. It's going to be interesting. If it starts to rain too much, I shall drop this ridge down, which is quite straightforward to do. Got plenty of pegs and yeah, everything. Okay. It's just started to pour down. You probably can't hear it right now, but I'm about to hit the new hammock. I'm quite actually looking forward to it. It's quite exciting. But it's raining, which I didn't think it would, but it is. So I'm really looking forward to that. So we're getting in here in a bit and settling down. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Looking forward to this. Brilliant. Catch you in a bit. Okay, here we go. As you can see, this is pouring down with rain. Not the best video you can do. So we're in the hammock. It's actually a little bit cool at the moment, so I'm trying to get comfortable. And yeah, let's see what happens. The tarp's up. I'm dry as a bone. A little bit chilly. I'm going to get into the bag now, the sleeping bag. As you can see, I'm in. I'm just getting comfortable. And we'll see you a lot in the morning. Take care. And I will be honest with you. And I'll let you know how I get on. And if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I will let you know. You take care. And we'll catch you in the morning. All the best. Night night. Oof. It's raining. Okay. It's about 9:45. Would I recommend? Don't know. I need a couple more goes in it because I did actually freeze last night, and I went to the van. Got up a few hours, went in the van because I was froze. Also, I find it quite restricted to move. I don't know about, there's different types of people. When I'm in bed, I'm a, what do you call it, a tosser, a mover, whatever. Yeah, so I find it quite restrictive. So we'll do another one again, not with this, we'll do it with the tent, and I'll let you know how I get on with that. And that's it really. I'm going to put the kettle on. I'm going to have a cup of tea because it is cold today, and it rained all night. It was chucking it down. You see by the tarp, absolutely chucked it down, but dry as a bone. And my hat was on the floor. It's all right, dry as a bone. So the tarp is excellent. Brilliant. Okay, so when we get the kettle on, we'll have a nice cuppa.